Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your CashApp card. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application on your smartphone. If you're asked to log into your account, just go ahead and log in using your email address and your password. Now, once the application is opened up, just tap on the wallet icon underneath the request button. This will then take you to the cash card page. Now to get your free cash card, just tap on the Get Free Cash Card button. You can then choose the style of your card from classic and metal design. After choosing your design, just tap on it and then you will be able to personalize your card. After making your desired changes, just tap on the Done button and then you can tap on Order Card to order your cash card. You will then be asked where the card should be delivered. Just go ahead and type in your address and then tap on the Next button and then you will be able to order your cash card.
How to change your password on CashApp application. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application and then you might be asked to log into your account using your PIN code or your biometrics. Just go ahead and log in and you will be taken into the home page where you can request or pay for any amount that you wish. Now, if you wish to change your CashApp password, then you need to know that there is no password on CashApp and the security layer that you can use is a 4-digit PIN. So in order to change this 4-digit PIN, just go ahead and tap on your account icon at the top right corner and then scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. From the Security and Privacy option, you will find the Security Lock option. Underneath the checkboxes within this section, you will find the Change Cash PIN option. Just go ahead and tap on it and now you will be asked to enter your old cash PIN. So just type in your PIN and then you will be allowed to enter your new PIN for your CashApp application. Just type in your new PIN and then tap on the Confirm button and then your PIN will be changed on CashApp.
How to invite your friends on CashApp. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application on your smartphone. Once you open it up, you may need to log into your account if you haven't done so already. Simply type in your email address and your password and you will be logged into your account. After logging in, you will be taken to this home page. Now from this page, in order to invite your friends, just tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Now from this page, you will be able to see the Invite Friends menu. Just go ahead and tap on it and now you can directly invite your friends that are in your contact list. You may need to provide access to your contact, so just go ahead and allow the access. Now you can simply tap on the Get $5 button at the right side of the person that you want to invite. This will then take you into the SMS menu. You can tap on the SMS button to send a text message to your selected contact. Once you do this, the invite will be sent. How you can find your CashApp name on the CashApp application. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application and you might be asked to log into your account. Just use your email address and your password to log into your account and you will end up on this homepage. Now, in order to find your CashApp name, just go ahead and tap on your account icon at the top right corner. You will then be taken to your account page. Now, right from the account page, you will be able to find your name and underneath your name will be your CashApp name. You can tap on the Share button and then save your CashApp information as a photo, or you can also copy your cash tag link. And now you can use your CashApp address and now you can use this CashApp address to receive your cash. How to add your bank account to your CashApp application. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application. Log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. If you haven't added your bank to your CashApp already, you will be asked to do so immediately after you log in. You can enter your details on this page, or if you don't get the prompt, then you can tap on your account icon at the top right corner. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on Linked Banks. Then you can simply tap on Link Debit Card and then you can use your debit card to link your bank account onto your CashApp application. Simply go ahead and type in your debit card number followed by the month and year. Then type in your 3-digit CVV number, followed by your zip code. You can then tap on the Link Card button to link your bank account with CashApp. In case you don't have a card, you can tap on No Card, and then you will be taken to another page from which you can tap on Continue to directly link your bank account with CashApp. From here, you can select your bank and proceed with linking your account. How to reset your CashApp PIN on the CashApp application. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application on your smartphone. If you have a PIN set up, then you will be asked to enter your PIN. So just go ahead and type in your PIN or use your passcode. In case you forgot your PIN, you can tap on the Help button. Now you will see an option which says I forgot my cash PIN. So just go ahead and tap on it, and you will be asked to enter a verification code that has been sent to your email address. So just go ahead and check your inbox, and you will find your confirmation code. Just type it in and tap on the next button, and you will now see an option which says you need to contact support to reset your PIN. So just go ahead and tap on Contact Support, and you will be taken to the CashApp support page. Just scroll down and you will find the Contact Us section. You can either call them directly, or you can start a chat with the support team to go ahead and reset your login PIN. How to fix unusual activity on your CashApp application. First of all, let's go ahead and open up the CashApp application on our device. If you're asked to log into your account, just go ahead and log in using your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken to the home page. Now, the primary reason that you find unusual activity on your CashApp application is because you don't have a PIN set up for every transaction. So let's go ahead and fix that by tapping on the account icon first at the top right corner. Now just scroll down and tap on Security and Privacy. Now right at the beginning, you will be able to see the security log feature. Just tap on the Turn On button, and you will be able to choose a cash PIN for your CashApp application. Just go ahead and type in your desired PIN, and you will be asked to confirm it once again. So type it in once again to confirm it, and now you have two options. You can either set the application to ask for the PIN, either only to move money or also to unlock the application. So let's go ahead and tap on Unlock the app as well, and you will be asked to provide your verification by typing in your PIN or through your biometrics. After you provide either of those, this feature will be activated as well. And now every time you open up the CashApp application, you will be asked to log into your account by typing in your cash PIN.
How to find your CashApp account number. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application, and then you might be asked to log in. Just use your PIN code or your biometric to log into your account, and then you will be taken to the home screen. Now, if you don't know your account information and you want to find out, you can just tap on your account icon at the top right corner, and then you will be taken into your account page. From there, you can simply find your CashApp tag underneath your name. You can use this CashApp tag as your CashApp account number or account detail. You can also tap on the share option, and you can either save this in your device or you can copy this by tapping on copy. Now you can use your CashApp account information to receive payments from anyone. You can also tap on the QR code icon at the top left corner, and then anyone can scan this to pay you on CashApp. How to withdraw money from CashApp. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application, and then you might be asked to log in using your PIN number or your biometric. Just go ahead and log into your account, and then you will be taken into this homepage. Now, once you're on this homepage, you can directly type in your desired amount and tap on the request button to receive money from anyone on CashApp. You will simply need to type in their name or their CashApp tag or phone number or email address, and then tap on the request button at the top right corner. Now, if you already have some amount that you want to withdraw from CashApp into your bank or your card, then simply tap on the home icon at the bottom left corner, and then you will see your CashApp balance. Now, underneath the CashApp balance, you will see a cash out option. Now, if you have already set up your account information, then you can simply tap on the cash out option, and you will receive your cash on your card or your bank account. If you haven't done that, just tap on account and routing, and then tap on Banking Details to add your card or your bank account information, and then you can simply tap on the Cash Out option to withdraw your money. How to add card to your CashApp application. First of all, just open the CashApp application and then use your PIN or your biometric to log into your account. Once you log in, you will be taken to this homepage where you can type your desired amount and directly request or pay. In order to add card, simply tap on the home button at the bottom left corner and then tap on Add Cash. Just select any amount and tap on the Add button, and you might be asked to enter your PIN once again. Now if you haven't linked your card already, this is where you will be asked to enter your card information. Just go ahead and enter your card number followed by the expiration date and the 3-digit CVV number. Finally, type in your zip code and then tap on the Link Card button at the bottom, and then your card will be linked to the CashApp application. How to add cash to your CashApp application. First of all, just open up the CashApp application and use your PIN if you need to in order to log into your account. Once you log in, you will be taken to this homepage where you can simply type your requested amount and then tap on the Request button in order to receive it from your linked account. Just search for your contact and tap on the Request button at the top right corner. You can also add cash from your linked bank account or your card by tapping on the Home button at the bottom left corner. Then you can simply tap on the Add Cash button and you will be asked how much you want to add. Simply select your desired amount or type it in and then tap on the Add button. You will then be asked to confirm your CashApp PIN, and then if you haven't added your debit card already, you will be asked to link your debit card. Simply enter your debit card number followed by your expiration date, your 3-digit CVV number, and your zip code. After you have linked your card, you will be able to add your cash to your CashApp application directly from your card. How to block someone on CashApp. First of all, just go ahead and open up the CashApp application and then use your PIN or biometric to log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into this homepage where you can type in your desired amount to pay or request from someone. Now from this homepage, just go ahead and tap on the search button at the bottom section. From the search button, you can simply tap on the search box and search for any of your desired contact that you want to block. Now simply tap on the contact once you find them and just scroll all the way down and you will find the block option. Just go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to block this person. Just tap on the confirm button and then the contact will be blocked. How to unblock someone that you have blocked on your CashApp application. First of all, just open up the CashApp application and then log into your account using your PIN code or your biometrics. Once you log in, you will be taken into this screen where you can type in your desired amount to pay or request from someone. Now, if you have blocked someone but wish to unblock them, then just tap on the search button underneath the pay option. Now, from the search box, just go ahead and search for the person that you wish to unblock. Now, just go ahead and tap on it and scroll all the way down and you will see the block option. Just tap on it and now you will be asked whether you wish to unblock this person. Simply go ahead and tap on the unblock button and now this person will be unblocked from your CashApp application. How to buy Bitcoin on CashApp. First of all, just open the CashApp application and then you might be asked to enter your PIN. Once you enter your PIN code or your biometric, you will be taken to this homepage where you can enter your desired amount to request or pay. Now, in order to buy Bitcoin, you can simply tap on the USD and then select Bitcoin from the currency option. You will then be shown a small guide into Bitcoin. Simply tap on Get Started and now you will find the Buy Bitcoin button. Just go ahead and tap on it and now you will be asked how much amount you want to spend on buying your Bitcoin. Just simply select your desired amount and tap on the Next button. Now you will be asked to register with your phone number. Just go ahead and type in your phone number and tap on the Next button, and then you can proceed with buying your desired crypto. You might also be asked to link your bank account or your card number if you haven't done so already, so you should be prepared with those information if you haven't linked them already. If you need help with those, make sure you check out our previous videos on how to link your bank account or your card. how to close your CashApp account. First of all, just open up the CashApp application, and then you might be asked to log into your account using your PIN or your biometrics. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into this homepage where you can request or pay for any amount. Now, if you wish to close your CashApp account, then simply tap on your account icon at the top right corner, and then from your account menu, scroll down and tap on Support. Now, from the Support menu, just tap on the search box and then search for Close Your CashApp Account. Once you search for this, you will receive a notification which tells you that your account deletion or closing is irreversible. You can just go ahead and tap on the Confirm button, and then you might be asked to enter your PIN code or provide your biometrics to verify your identity. Once you do this, your account will be closed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to close your CashApp account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.